Why Jamaican people are so fast?
Perché i giamaicani sono così veloci?
I do think that with Jamaica being a small island, I think we are very determined. Whatever we do as Jamaicans, we want to be the best. So I think that we strive to be the best, and that is what we do in everything that, you know, we do.
Well, for me, my secret wish, well, it's now out, knowing that I'm going to say, is that Jamaica culture should stay like, I would say Qatar, where you can have more than one wife.
The spirit at the Olympics was okay in atmosphere, but for being amongst our teammates right here, it's like really fun. You forget that, you know, sometimes you're going to compete because we're there, you know, having so much fun, you know, enjoying each other's company, you know, laughing, running jokes, and, you know, I think that is part of our relaxation technique where, you know, we try to enjoy each other and comfort each other, and, you know, when it's time for them to run, you know, we tell them good luck and we cry with them, we scream with them, we do everything. So I think that's a good part of being at the Olympics.
Well, it's a worldwide thing. So we have a few time on. There's a rule. Let's just get the money to everybody. Express. Wanna feel with this sweetest caress. I do the things say what I got this. Wanna know things we know, that we don't know. I don't have no feel yes. Let's do what we did with tears. We express and enjoy the tears. There's no need to run around. Go! And it's not from this up, this is the other one. Want to give it size and pleasure for that. No way I love what it's not from one. Let's do the thing where you. Hey, I'm from the hill to the sun, from the tree to the sun. Where you see I'm there to the way you. For the beat and kill for the Giamaica, hey! Wanna express, wanna feel with this sweetest caress. I do the things that Father got blessed. Man, I don't believe we do it, so we don't believe it. And it's true, we don't have to yes. Let's do what we did with tears. We express and enjoy the tears. Second verse. Hey, come on up, church. Come on up, church. One man when them not up to the yo. No one up worse, no one up. Like them a big boss and them up to the yo. No one up judge, no one up grudge. No one has what it was, what I'm up to, you know. You never change.